Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your DNS settings to improve the privacy and potentially make your internet feel faster. This is one of the simplest tweaks that you can make and it only takes about a minute. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, let's just quickly understand why DNS matters. So DNS works like the internet's phone book. Every time you visit a website, your device asks a DNS server where that particular site is located. So by default, these requests usually go through your internet provider. This means that your IPS can see which websites you visit, not the content, but the destinations. That's why DNS is considered a privacy weak point. So the solution here is to switching to a public or private DNS provider. So here are some of the popular options that you can choose. So we have Cloudflare DNS. You can choose the primary and the secondary DNS information that are given over here. We also have the Google DNS. Then we have Code 9 DNS. So besides privacy, speed is another benefit. Every website requires DNS lookups. If your IP's DNS is low, these tiny delays add up, and many public DNS providers use the global networks which are optimized for the faster responses. So here, in order to change it inside your iPhone, you just have to come inside the settings of your device. In the settings, you just have to tap on the option of Wi-Fi. Now, as you can see, I have some of the Wi-Fi networks available. So simply tap on the option of I right next to your Wi-Fi. Over here, you will see the option of configure DNS. So by default, it will be automatic, but you will have to make it manual first. Then tap on the option of add server. And after that, you just have to basically choose any of these servers that are available over here. So you can choose the Cloudflare, Google Public DNS, Code 9, or any of the DNS over here. So after adding the DNS, simply just save the setting and that's it. No complex setup is required for this. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.